Ramadan Recipe Chicken Cheeseballs.
If you like this, please do give me a thumbs up. And with that being said, let's get started. The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of cubed chicken, 1 cup cheese, I have red and white here, 1 cup of pasta, and you can use macaroni or any small shaped pasta, 1 cup of mashed potato. I haven't completely mashed it. You still want a bit of texture when you bite into it. A handful of fresh coriander leaves, some garlic cloves, and some fresh chilies. You can add a bit more depending on how spicy you want it. 1 tablespoon of jalapeno sauce, juice of half a lemon, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, and some eggs and breadcrumbs for dipping. Okay, so in my preheated pot, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. And I'm going to add the chicken in. And also the black pepper as well. While that's cooking, we're going to go over to our pestle and mortar and we're going to grind the chilli and garlic to a paste. So that's it. I'm just going to add in the garlic and chilli paste and the cumin powder and the sauce as well. And the gas is on low and I'm just going to mix that in. And the spices have mixed in nicely, so I can switch that off now. And I'm going to let that cool for about 10 minutes before I add the rest of the ingredients in. So we're just going to add in the pasta, the potatoes, cheese, and some salt, and some lemon to give it some zing. And finally, chop the green coriander inside. And some lemon to give it some zing. And finally, chop the green coriander inside. Now I'm going to mix that all in. And it's a good idea at this point to just give it a taste. If you need to add any salt, a bit of chili, now's the time. Now we're ready to roll them up like this. Right, so that's done. And depending on what size you make them, you should get about 25 to 30 cheese balls. And to help them hold their shape, I'm just going to pop them in the fridge for about half an hour so they firm up. So now we are ready to dip them in egg, which I've beaten, and breadcrumbs. I find it easier to dip them in egg with a spoon. And then I'm just going to take that and with my hands, I'm going to coat them in breadcrumbs. That way, things don't get too messy. Dip them in egg again. Pop them back in the breadcrumbs and double coat them. So it looks something like this. Okay, I'm just going to check to see if the oil is ready. I'm just going to drop a little bit of breadcrumb. Yes, that's done. So let's get frying. You need to fry them on medium to high heat. There you go. All done. They should be golden colour and cheesy like this. Goes great with most chutneys or sauces. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or you can even tag me in a picture.